I go through a checklist step by step, making sure that I don't forget. Size, newborn, colour white, 100% organic wool. Add to cart, check out now. Congratulations, order successful. And so goes the time I went online and bought my son his coffin. You see, I never expected to say goodbye before I ever got the chance to say that first hi. But stillbirth isn't something planned, jotted down in notes by hand, tucked into the nappy bag that stands at the door for tomorrow. Instead, stillbirth explodes in a single tragic moment, relayed in high definition over and over and over again. I'm sorry. There is no heartbeat. The most deafening sound in the world is a room filled with the silence of a baby who never cries, a baby who never opens their eyes, a baby who has already died. I beg them, lay him on my naked chest, where all new babies do their best, life force given from their mama's breast, as they exit their cushioned place of rest and awaken earthside. Let him feel my soft bare skin, and you will see a sharp and deep breath in, except that's only me, finally remembering to breathe, not him. That warm and safe cocoon, my pulsing, nurturing mother's womb, became my baby's deadly tomb, betraying us both. It lied. He wasn't safe. He died. In childish tales, a simple kiss would awaken his heart and make it restart. But 7 hours without a trace is the definition of incompatible with life. I wrap him to my raging body, an empty vessel of hopes and dreams, his velvet hair catching my pounding screams, and I whisper the secrets to life that all mamas tell their sons. And I apologize that I failed him. We danced together in the moonlight. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Imprinting his body into me as I frantically memorize his elfin ears, and I tenderly kiss those telltale lips. Can someone please tell me soon? Are his eyes spring green or my stormy blue? Because I never saw and I can't go see. Because a handful of ashes can never stare back at me. The skies opened up on that last and final day, yet the weeping clouds could never say more than my own salty torrents as they paved a way down my cheek. Together we lifted up his casket of wool in white, upgraded to toddler size, so it wasn't too tight, an extra large swaddle to fit him just right, room to hold his tiny frame, and the mountains of blessings from those who came and whispered his name. The weight of the service draped around us like a shawl, the air heavy and damp with the sorrow of all. Feet were stared at with questions of why, and the tissues mopped every water-filled eye, lips questioning, how exactly does a baby just die? I found my heart begging my legs to steady. Stop the service, because I'm just not ready. I will never be ready for eternity without him. Then one by one they rose from the pews and lined the aisle to get a view of the elfin babe who had been due to meet them. Without fear or terror, they kissed his flesh. They touched him, caressed him, and bathed him with love. The the elfin king who never lived enough. And at the end, there was that final rite of covering his face and pushing the lid down tight, entombing him for his eternal good night. And I beg, are you sure he will be alright? But empty bodies do not quake. That's left to those caught in death's cruel wake. Then finally, tugging the cord between my son and I pull away and say, Avery,